If we talk about life in Limassol, we can immediately note that it differs from life in other European cities by its lower density and, accordingly, a more relaxed pace. Half of the city's residents live in private homes. Recently, in Limassol, there is active construction of multi-storey residential buildings. The city is growing rapidly due to new residents moving to the warm sea from northern countries. But are there enough schools and parks here for a comfortable and fulfilling life? Is the culture and infrastructure of the city changing? Here, for example, look at this art square residential complex under construction. Its walls will be painted by the world-famous street artist Millo, specially invited to participate in this project. It is expected that his drawings will become a new landmark of Limassol and will help it to receive the title of European Capital of Culture at the competition in 2030. A 5-minute walk away is the prestigious American Academy School with English language education. Pedestrian accessibility of the school greatly adds to the comfort of both children and parents. For Limassol, this is a big plus, given that most parents have to take their children to school by car for several kilometers. There are also the courts of the popular Famagusta Tennis Club nearby. Very lucky if you are a tennis fan. However, in this area there is something else very rare for Limassol, which is a great advantage. It is a park area that stretches all the way to the city's waterfront. It has playgrounds and exercise equipment, as well as biking and jogging paths that you can walk or jog to Limassol Marina. Walking through this green area, you will reach the sea in 20 minutes, as the park is only 1.5 kilometers long. In the description, you will find a link to the Art Square residential complex, from which we make our flight. Leave a request for viewing, and you will receive a gift from the developer, all appliances in the purchased apartments by promo code. But back closer to the sea, Limassol is famous for its beautiful promenade and yacht marina, over which we will now fly. There is also a large passenger port, receiving cruise liners from all over the Mediterranean and the Indian Ocean. One of these liners is just now entering the city's harbour.
Directly below us is the modern Limassol Marina project, which combines luxury apartments and villas with private berths or direct access to the sea. This is the first marina in Cyprus that can accommodate super yachts. Here, you will find a variety of restaurants and bars located right by the sea. The promenade is also ideal for walking, jogging, cycling, or water sports. It is a place where you can enjoy the beauty of the sea and the marina.
In the evening, you can see a spectacular sunset that colours the sky and the sea in different shades of pink and orange. The waterfront is filled with life and light as people stroll, play sports, or sit in a restaurant. You can hear the sounds of music, laughter, and conversations that create a pleasant atmosphere.
Walking further, you come to Molos Park, which is the largest and most beautiful park in Cyprus. It can definitely be called the landmark of the island. A walk along its palm trees with views of the bay will be a pleasure.
Not only can you walk in Molos Park, but you can also see the many sculptures that decorate its grounds. It also hosts various events such as concerts, festivals, exhibitions, and sports competitions. It is a wonderful place for relaxation and entertainment, and well worth a visit if you are in Cyprus.
Limassol is the second largest city in Cyprus, with a population of 300,000. It stretches for 20 kilometers along the entire bay. The city is known for its rich history, culture, and financial activities. Limassol offers many attractions, such as the ancient cities of Crowne and Amathus, the medieval castle where King Richard the Lionheart was crowned during the Crusade. Apart from history, Limassol is also famous for its hotels and beaches. It is a city that combines tradition and innovation and attracts tourists from all over the world.